Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video for you guys. This is my 2012 Seadoo GTI SE 130. I just washed and waxed it. As you can see, I try to take very good care of the vinyl of it. Still in very good condition, what I think. These are the products I use. So I know a lot of people are always asking what everyone's using for to clean, wax, take care of the rubber and the plastics. As you can see, even down here, my plastic still looks good. Even here. And I always wash and wax this thing every time I take it out of the water. So that might be a little OCD, but that's what I'm doing. My next thing I'm going to be installing, I just ordered a speaker bracket from, I think it's pwcbrackets.com. I'm going to be installing that right here. I used to have speakers right here, but those are blown. So I'm going to purchase a new cover, which I think is like $75. And I'm going to mount the new bracket right here so I can have music. I had to disassemble my old speaker, like I said. You notice when sometimes you let people borrow your skis, they don't take care of it. But again, this is just a 2012. I know a lot of people, sometimes they don't take care of their skis. And if you have a red color jet ski, you're definitely going to want to wash and wax it religiously because the paint will fade. But I think this is held up over time, for me at least. Still runs good. I just purchased a new battery. It's 500 cold cranking amps, and it's a gel battery instead of the lead battery. Hopefully that lasts a little longer. Just wanted to post a little something for you guys who are thinking about, you know, washing and waxing your jet ski, and some of you individuals who just purchased jet skis. As long as you maintain it, you change the oil, batteries, I've never had an issue with it. And again, these are the products I use. I was almost out of this, so I ended up using some of this. But normally I just stick with this vinyl rubber. That does a really good job. This smells a lot better than this one. We usually use this for the boat just because of the smell. It smells better and does just as good a job as this one, but this is what I had left over. This one's empty. And this is the wax we use. That goes on pretty smooth. Takes off, no flake, no nothing. So I'm very happy with that product also, Meguiar's. They seem to make a good product. I also use their super degreaser for taking out tough stains. Seems to work pretty good. So just thought I'd shoot a little video for you guys.